Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Kawaii Box. They've recently made some changes to their subscription box. There's now a really nice product card inside. So we're going to take a look and see what came in this box. I also wanted to mention they're doing a giveaway. So one lucky viewer will win a Kawaii Box. I'll have the link below in the description box. I'll probably also leave it in the comment section just so it's easier to find. So make sure you check that out in case you're interested. So let's go ahead and take a look. Cute packaging as always. So here is the Kawaii Summer. This is for June 2018. So yeah, this is new. This is nice. It lists all the products, gives you a little information about them. They're kind of scattered all over the page. Very cute, nice and colorful. I might leave that open just so I have a reference here. So let's take a look at what's inside. The first thing I'm pulling out, oh my gosh, that's cute. Is that a little headband? I'm gonna go ahead and open that. This is a little headband, super soft, has some ears on it. It says, stay cute like a cat and keep your hair organized while applying makeup or washing your face. Got a little elastic in the back. That's adorable. I'm gonna put that on Raylan because it'll totally fit her. Next up, I know Jackson is going to steal this from me. It's a little squishy. I love squishies. It's a little sushi one. And it even has a little charm holder on it so you can put it on things. How cute is that? Love sushi. Then we have some Hello Kitty marshmallows, strawberry flavored marshmallows. I think in the past I've gotten maybe Pokemon stuff in here, which Jackson absolutely loved. Oh, that's adorable. Is this a pen? That is so cute. It looks like a straw and it has a little donut on it, but it's a pen. That is too adorable. It's even bendy. Oh my gosh, that's neat. I'm definitely gonna keep that for my office. Next we have another little keychain guy. It says it's a hamster soft bag charm. So you could hang it on your bag or backpack. Very cute. Plushie. Ooh, is this more candy? I love getting candy. This says these are grape gummies. So yeah, I do love this product card because obviously a lot of it is not in English. So it's nice to have a little bit of details on this card so you can kind of follow along to see what's in it. What is this? Moomin? Oh, that's neat. It's little sticky notes. Not familiar with those characters, but it looks cute. So there's 4 different ones and it just kind of folds up into a little book. Nice. Oh, is this one of those? Yes. Oh my gosh. I can make Panda sushi? Are you kidding me? Panda Bento rice mold. Create cute panda-shaped rice balls to complete your bento lunchbox. You can cut the ears, face, and legs with the nori cutter. Oh my god. How stinking cute is that? That is so exciting. I'm just gonna, heck yeah, we're making that. I don't know, that might actually get Jackson to eat it actually. He doesn't really like rice. He's a very picky eater. I don't know if I've talked about that recently, but something fun like that, he probably would be enticed to eat it if it looked like that. Cool. That makes the box right there. That's awesome. There's a couple more things down here. This is cute. What is this? Cute bunny drink coaster. Protect your table from those ugly water ring marks. With a silicone bunny coaster. Yeah, definitely flexible silicone. That's cute. And then we have some little stickers. Cute, cute, cute. Love that. So this is an awesome box. That definitely, I'm sure, is probably the most expensive things in here. Then we also have little squishies, which are really popular right now. All sorts of little charms. A couple food items. Some little stationery, a pen, adorable headband, a little coaster. So that came with a lot of little goodies. I'll go ahead and show you the product card again. Like I said, everything's kind of going around here in a circle. Super, super cute. So if you guys are interested in signing up for a subscription, I'll put their website below. And make sure you check out that giveaway because you never know, you might be the next one to win. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.